Hello and welcome back. I'm abadcuber and we're gonna do a little unboxing. I know what cubes are in here. It's 3 actually. You get some scissors. I'm really excited for this because this will be my first unboxing. And apparently, already these from Speed Cube Shop. And it's been less than a week, and I already have one, which is crazy. Like the last time I ordered cubes, it took forever. So, oh, here they are. Here's one. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Pretty sure this is the Kylin. It's the MGC 2x2. And a Yonglong 2x2 mirror. So I have all of these. Let's start with the mirror cube. This is tiny. I thought it was going to be a bit bigger. Ooh. Nice little... Ooh. This feels dry. You can probably even hear it, but it has really smooth turning. It's really nice, actually. Yeah, it's... Oh, yeah. Well, sorta, a little bit. It's pretty good, actually. All it needs is a little bit of lube and a little bit of love, and then it'll be great. So I guess we'll just go ahead and go to the actual 2x2. This is the MGC or YJ MGC 2M, the crazy one that's super trendy. Or not super trendy, but apparently it's supposedly really good. Now let's just see if I can figure out how to open it. I push this. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool mechanism. Oh. Stay with me. Okay. Weird box. It's interesting. And then the cube itself. Oh, it's like I'm unboxing a nice GAN. There's the logo. Have some extra springs. Oh, some extra magnets. That's nice. I hope those aren't in there for a reason. Hope they're just there for just in case. The pamphlet that I will never use because I already know how to solve it. And the extremely well packaged cube. Oh. Can I get it done? Oh my gosh, where are the scissors? Where are the scissors? Here are the scissors. There we go. Oh, it looks nice. Really nice. So, oh my gosh. A little bit dirty. Had some lube on the outside, but oh gosh. It's really strong magnets. Like you can probably just hear the click into place. Look, like turning, click, click, click. Pretty nice. Let's do a real quick solve. Okay. Ooh, it's definitely, oh my gosh, how? It just feels interesting. Like it has a nice, like sandy, I need to clean this cube up. It's like Oh, yeah. It's like the magnets. It's greasy. It's really, really greasy. It's actually. I don't know what I think about this cube. Oh, it's oh gosh. Wow. Need to wipe it down a little bit. Oh my gosh, these magnets. Holy. Like, listen. That's just like, gosh, dang. It's very strong magnets. It feels like sandy. Whew. I don't know about this cube. It's my first magnetic 2x2. I don't sit on the side. And the Kylin. This looks like a Rubik's Cube. It looks like that Rubik's Speed Cube. That's what it looks like. Oh, it looks smaller though. Oh gosh. Oh no, did I order like a really small cube when I didn't mean to? And dang, wow. Okay. First turns. Oh man, I actually really like this. It's tight. It's tight. Yeah. It's dry. But it's got these nice tiles like Rubik's Cubes how I have. I guess we'll just do a solve. Okay. Man, all these cubes, they kind of feel like dry and weird and like cubes that I have never felt before. Like it feels like it's just it's not bad feeling, but like I don't understand this cube. It's like you can hear it. Like look. Maybe all this stuff with all these cubes just because they're not lubed, they're not tensioned. Oh man, this is tight. Oh, no corner turning. Ooh. I like this. I really like it. It just has this weird sandy feeling. And the magnets are probably, yeah, these medium strength, definitely. Well, actually, it'll probably come a new one-handed main. Because magnets and it's rather small. I just need to tension it a bit. I'll have a review out on these cubes. All these. Wow. None of them are particularly bad. I just suppose that they haven't been like lubed. Like they feel like they have, but they don't sound, or they feel like when you touch the pieces, but they don't feel like they've been lubed. Like they don't sound like it either. Maybe these are like hollow pieces. I don't know. See, and this one, really strong magnets. Maybe that's just how these cubes are supposed to feel. Like this one is super clacky. I need to lube all of these. I mean, all the shades are nice on these. Well, they're not bright, that's for sure. kind of dull, a little bit dull. I mean, they're not bad cubes. They're not bad cubes. Actually, I'm pretty sure this will become definitely my new one-handed main. Maybe my, just 3x3 main. And the only reason I got this is just for fun, because I've always wanted one. And I hate the normal mirror cube, and this just seems like a good compromise. Because it's really easy. I think I can just go ahead and do a solo for y'all. Okay, this one. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, that one's too thick. Go, and then, wait, oh, that's wrong. One problem I have with mirror cubes is that your hands are really greasy afterwards, because you have, I don't know if that's just the cube, or, oh, never mind. Okay. I don't know which algorithm. Wait. Did I do it? Okay, I did it. Oh, I screwed up. No. Oh, wait. Okay, I didn't screw up too bad. That's really, like, jinxing. Like, these look like they would, trying to fool me. Is this the... Oh. Oh, okay. So I did it. Checker pattern. That's a checker pattern. Well, on all of these cubes, every single one is dry. This, really, none of them have corner turning issues, except for this one. Kind of. It's the only one that could physically turn a corner, yeah. Wait, are the tensions even? No, the tensions aren't even. Aha, that's probably why. And this one is really, actually, really nice. It just needs a bit of lube and a bit of tensioning. And it'll be great. Okay, I will see y'all in the next video.